we're going to play customer service. There's two players. First, you got the customer. They come in with an item, only they don't know what the item is. It's their job to guess throughout the scene, and the customer service rep is going to drop clues as to what the item is, what's wrong with it, and the celebrity who had it last. Now that's usually where you end the scene. When the customer service rep mentions the celebrity who owned it last, the customer at that point wants it. Now don't make the clues obvious and make the item kind of a unique item. You'll see in this scene. Enjoy it. Yeah, I'm returning this. Sir, even though that's a refurbished item, I'll let you return it. Was there anything wrong with the audio or video capabilities? No, it just doesn't sound good. Not in the vinyl, huh? How about the video? Did you play some old hard-to-find classics on it, maybe? On the record player? No, on the other half of the dual feature. Hey, I want to let you know a secret. Did you realize if you hit play record on Wizard of Oz and then start playing Pink Floyd's Dark Side of the Moon, just as the MGM lion roars for the third time, both the video and the music will be in sync. No joking. Great experience. No way. That's kind of sick. But I'd just rather download Wizard of Oz in HD and, get a crisp digital version of Dark Side of the Moon and watch it on this VCR record player hybrid. I get it. Some rapper gentleman said the same thing when he returned it last week. I tell you though, for some reason his palms were sweaty, knees weak, arms were heavy, and there was even vomit on his sweater. His mom's spaghetti, I'm thinking. No way. Eminem had this? Bro, I'm keeping it.